Have you ever tried fried bihun with curry powder? Curry powder is a complex mixture of spices and herbs, blended to help cooks create dishes known as curries. The word curry can be confusing because curry is both a type of meal and a category of spice blend. A curry dish is an intensely seasoned union of vegetables and often protein simmered in a thick gravy. Curry also has the effect of assisting wound healing and preventing Alzheimer's disease. The American Association for Cancer research points out that the curcumin contained in curry has the function of activating liver cells and inhibiting cancer cells. The spiciness of curry can also promote blood circulation in the body, achieving the purpose of sweating and removing dampness. Bell pepper, carrot. Bihun soak until softened and set aside. French beans, peeled and sliced carrot. Sliced bell peppers. Peeled and sliced onion. Remove head and tail and cut into sections. Crack eggs into bowl and beat it until frothy. Heat oil. Scramble eggs and set aside. Stir-fry onion slices until translucent. Add bell pepper and carrot slices and stir-fry. Beans. One teaspoon curry powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Bihun and stir-fry. Add half bowl water. One teaspoon light soy sauce. Stir fry with chopstick to prevent bihun breaking. Add fried eggs. Plate it. Curry powder fried bihun is done. Bihun looks great. Bihun smell good with curry powder fragrance, and it is not spicy at all. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient, come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. YouTube, there are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. The iron content in bihun is high, and it is well absorbed and has the function of promoting hematopoiesis. Fried bihun can warm the stomach and treat stomach cold syndrome. Rice noodles contain protein, carbohydrates, and other ingredients, which have the effect of strengthening the spleen and are suitable for people with weak spleen. Fried bihun can provide dietary fiber to the human body, promote intestinal peristalsis, and promote digestion. If you are interested, do check out other delicious fried bihun recipes from my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.